Good day everyone. In today's video, we are going to attempt to solve for x and y. You can pause the video and attempt if you can solve this question under 1 minute. Alright, we were told in the question that we have two overlapping squares. And let me trace out the first square. This is the first square. I'm using a blue ink. Can you see that? A square is a four-sided figure. Alright, that's the first square. So a square is a four-sided figure. The four sides are equal, and each of the angles that makes up a square is 90 degrees. So here is 90 degrees, here is 90 degrees, here is 90 degrees, here is also 90 degrees. So you can fill it up: 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and this is also 90 degrees. We're also going to trace out the second square. Let's use our red ink for that. This is another square. Yes, I'm tracing it out. You can see this, this, and each of the four vertices of a square. Each of the four vertices of a square has 90 degrees. 90, 90, 90, 90. So let's have it. This is 90, the first vertex, another 90, another 90, and this is also 90 degrees. Yeah, this is becoming very interesting. Now, if you concentrate at the center, if you look at the center of the shape critically, just look at my cursor. Now you will notice a quadrilateral there. You will notice a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is just a four-sided figure. It can be a square, it can be a rectangle, it can be a kite, it can be a rhombus, and so on and so forth. So we have this. Now what I'm interested in is that it's a four-sided figure. Alright, so this is the first angle, which is x. We have x here, we have 90, we have another 90, and we have 113. So I've been able to draw out the shape at the center. I've been able to coin it out, and now it's a four-sided figure, and each of the vertices have shown the angles there. And what is the sum of angles in a quadrilateral? The sum of angles in a quadrilateral, whether square, rectangle, rhombus, kite, the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degrees. So for this new shape that I have down here, the sum of angles there, that is x plus 90 plus 90 plus 113 is equals to 360. Okay, now we're going to sum up everything. So x plus 293, that is 180, 90 plus 90 plus 113, that is equals to 293, is equals to 360. So make s the subject of the formula, so that's 360 minus 293. So s is equals to 67 degrees. That's our x. Now to look for y, what we are going to do to look for y is this. I want you to look at this angle here, around that 67 degrees. Let's label this angle A. Let's label this angle A. Now let's attempt to find angle A, because I can see a triangle here at the bottom here, but let me look for angle A. If I can find angle A, then it will be convenient for me to find angle Y. So let's draw out this shape. Okay, we have a straight line. All right, we have two red lines here. Okay, and this is 90 degrees, and we have the angle 67. and we have our A. So I've been able to redraw this region, this A, follow my cursor, A, 90 and 67. So I've been able to redraw that. And what do you have as sum of angles on a straight line? That's equals to 180 degrees. That is A plus 90 plus 67 equals to 180 degrees. And what do you have as your A? A plus 90 plus 67, that is 157. That's equals to 180. So A is 180 minus 157. A is equals to 23 degrees. Now we are going to attempt to find Y. We are going to redraw the triangle at the bottom here, containing Y, A, and another angle that we don't know yet. Let's have it. Let's have the base. Let's have a black line. All right. Then we are going to draw a blue line. Okay. All right. So we have a red, blue, and black, and this is Y. You can see that this is Y. Then this is A, and up here is 113 degrees. Alright, 113 degrees. Okay, let me quickly introduce us to vertically opposite angles. If you have two lines intersecting at a point, and here is theta, automatically this is also theta, because vertically opposite angles are equal. If this is alpha, this is also going to be alpha. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So here is 113. So this is also going to be 113, because vertically opposite angles are equal. And sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we're going to have Y plus 113 plus A. That's equals to 180 degrees. So Y plus 113. Our A is 23. We calculated for it earlier. So this is 23. We have 180 degrees. So Y plus 136 degrees equals to 180. So Y is equals to 180 minus 136. And that is going to give us 44 degrees. Thank you for watching.